Sheila here, welcoming you to Feedback Week at Satin Crystals, where you can win a $100 gift card to satincrystals.com plus this lovely carnelian Ganesh carving. As you may know, carnelian Ganesh is the remover of obstacles and the bringer of wealth and abundance. So how can you win these things? All you need to do is leave feedback for one or more products that you have purchased, that you have gifted or received. So it's very easy. If you have a story to tell about a stone that worked its healing magic on you, or maybe you have some gemstone jewelry that enhanced your day, or you gifted a crystal that lit up somebody's face, we are accepting all of your crystal feedback this week, and the winner will be announced on Monday. So the winner for the Ganesh and the $100 gift card, plus there's going to be 2 winners for $40 gift cards each. So you have a very good chance of winning. So how can you join Feedback Week? We have made it super simple. We know that your time is valuable, so it's very easy to join. There are 3 ways that you can choose from. Just choose your favorite method. So you can either just simply email us and let us know what your review or your story is about your crystal. You can go to the feedback blog on our website and you can comment there, your story or your review. And the third method is you can find your item on satincrystals.com. So for example, if you have this facial set, you can find the product on the page, and then you will just click on the stars. It'll take you down to the review section, and you can click on write a review. Here you'll fill in your name, your email, give it the star rating that you'd like. The title of the review is, you can just even put 1 word if you like, and your overall experience. You can even do a 1-liner if you don't have time, and then submit, and you will be entered into the contest. I will make sure that your name is in the drawing for next Monday. So how do you know if you're going to be the winner? Well, next Monday, on February 24th, 2020, I'm going to have another video like this. I'll have all the entry names in a hat or a box or whatever it is, and I will let Destiny draw out 3 random names, and you might be one of them. As you know, a lot of people get distracted. They think they're going to do it, but then they get busy and unmotivated. So if you just stop everything after this, watching this video, you think about all the crystals you have, submit all of your reviews, you have a very good chance, I think, of winning. So good luck. We look forward to hearing all of your stories. And if you still do have questions, please do email us anytime. As always, thank you for your positive presence at Satin Crystals.